Hi, I'm Elise. I'm an occupational therapy student. Today I'm going to show you a few exercises you can do at home with everyday objects to help strengthen your hands and wrists. These can be good strengthening exercises if you have had hand or wrist injury or condition such as osteoarthritis, surgery, or lax joints. It may also be helpful to warm up your muscles using a hot pack and do gentle stretches previous to performing the exercises. And this is my lovely assistant, and she's had hand therapy before, so she has a doctor's permission to do the exercises. For the first exercise, all you need is a hammer. Grip the end of the hammer with your knuckles facing towards the wall and the head of the hammer pointing up. Slowly rotate your palm up towards the ceiling so that the head of the hammer is pointing towards the wall, and then back the other way so your palm is down. I'd say do about 10 of them. If you are unable to do at least 8, then this exercise is probably not for you, or you're using a hammer that is too heavy. You can also choke up on the hammer as if you would on a bat if it's too heavy, and it might make it a little easier. Make sure that you do not go past a 180-degree line or go too fast, because that can cause you further injury. The slower you manipulate the hammer, the better, because your muscles are using more control. Also make sure that your elbow is at a 90-degree angle and close to your body, but not pushing into your side, because that indicates that you are compensating and using different muscles. Do not rest your arm on a table or your lap. Also make sure that you're sitting up nice and tall and that your back is not against a chair. This works on 2 opposing muscle groups called supinators and pronators. You use this motion a lot when opening doorknobs and turning a key. For the next exercise, you'll need clothespins and 2 edges. I'm using 2 shoe boxes that I've taped together. In a therapy clinic, they use different colored clothespins, and each color is a different strength of grip. This exercise works on pinch strength. There are 3 different types of pinches. Pinch strength is essential for fine motor tasks, such as holding a pencil, tying your shoe, or even texting on your cell phone. The first pinch we'll do is called a lateral pinch, aka the key pinch, and you just move the clothespins from one edge to the other, one at a time. Alright, so go ahead and do that. And make sure that you're gripping the clothespin, your thumb is nice and round and bent and not flat. Also make sure that you're using the padded part of your thumb and not the crease where your joint is. If you have long nails, you might want to cut them because they can cause you to use a different part of your finger and might promote poor positioning of your wrist when completing tasks, such as typing. Now we're just going to lay the shoe boxes down flat. The second type of pinch is called a tip pinch or a 2-finger pinch, and this just uses your thumb and your index finger. We're just going to go like that. Again, make sure that you have a nice round grip, not flat, and that you're using the padded part of your finger. The last type of pinch is a tripod pinch or a 3-finger pinch. This uses your index and your middle finger with your thumb, like that. Good job.
Oops. I need glasses.
Sorry. The last activity I have for you today I consider to be the most fun and versatile. All you have to do is play with Play-Doh or clay. In a therapy clinic, they have Theraputty, and each color corresponds with a different strength, just like the clothespins. Getting it out of the container is usually half the battle, and yes, it is part of the therapy. So first you can roll it into a ball and then flatten it out into a puddle. If you have a rolling pin, you can use it. Otherwise, just push it with your fingers and the palm of your hand. Usually we have a lot more Play-Doh than this in one container. This has been used a lot by the kids and some of it has disappeared. Now we're going to make bubbles in our puddle. You just grip the tube and push it into the puddle of Play-Doh and then pull it straight out. We're using an empty prescription bottle, but you can use anything that you can get a good grip on, preferably something that is open, because that causes more suction and makes you use more muscle strength. This exercise works on grasp grip strength, which is commonly used to open containers or medicine bottles, or for cooking or using tools. After you've filled your Play-Doh puddle with bubbles, roll it up into a ball and pat it out into a puddle and repeat. I do the puddle and the bubbles about 3 times, but for the time's sake of this video, we're just going to stop there. Now you're going to roll it out into a snake. Yep, that's good. And you can do it as long as you want. There's many things you can do with Play-Doh to help strengthen your hands. Just manipulating it in your hands while sitting and watching TV will help. You can use a large amount in both hands, all the way to just a small amount that you can manipulate with your individual fingers. Well, those are all the exercises I have for you today. I hope this video has been helpful, and thank you for watching. I hope you feel better soon, and have a great day.